Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to replace text in Apple Keynote. Let's get started. At first open your Apple Keynote software, then open your Keynote presentation. Now I am already opened my Keynote presentation. Now go to the 9 number slide, and here you can see here are food. Now I am replace this text. Now go to the first slide and now I am replace the text. Now go to the toolbar and you can see here are show, find and replace menu. Now click this. Now I am show, find and replace menu. Now here you can see here are drop down menu. Now click this. Now and here are find and replace. Now check mark is only find. Now click find and replace. Now firstly find and then replace. Now firstly find our text. Food. Now this food name is search. Now I'm find this name. Now I'm replace name. And click replace and click done. Now replace it. Now you can see replace text in Apple Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.